Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the enemy. Unfortunately, Uchoma is not feeling okay. Uchoma is not feeling good. Even after the thing unelicisha wayenza yokuthi adubule ulanga. Like Ugai is just not willing to be the one speaking, to be the one doing anything. But ke bamcelile ukuthi abe ayenze memorial service, ayenzele ubani ubanzi. He's not in agreement because in his heart he believes ukuthi he's contributed to where ubanzi is because he pushed ubanzi, right? But ke ugayi njengoba afila lento ayifilayo, my question is, will he confess now that usindisiwe, now that ugeze ngegazi lemvana, now that umzalwane za sins are forgiven and all? Will he confess and say, guys, I pushed him. He was in hospital, not because Bagabanji Nkunzi, but he was in hospital because of me. And when that day of confessions happens, what's going to happen? Also, since Mzalwane so it looks like his marriage is on shaky ice road. Yazin yabanda nje. Very mshado wakhe touch and go, but like now it looks like touch and go too much njengoba sika Mzalwane. Ulanga ke akhulume nomama kumama kamthethisa athi I know you did analyze ubanze. Now I need ukuthi ngigeze ngenzeni. I can't trust you. I told you not to be emva that guy, but you continued. If nje you do something like this again, you'll have to go back to KZN because I can't trust you to help me with this whole thing yaga Mabuza. Speaking of uMabuza, kunomntwana laphayana uzohlala nobhuti wakhe Unka, umalume wakhe rather Unka. Unka does not want to live with this child because he's already a burden kumam Rebecca, but ke umntana inside phakathi. Umntana lo uthi usazowayenza amaphutha in, but I think ukuthi most of amaphutha wakhe wayenza intentionally. Maybe they brought her into the storyline to create some drama. I'm not 100% sure, but girl is inside phakathi. Mom Rebecca then was confronted by a businessman who wanted to do business with Umam Rebecca. This businessman, I can be corrected as the storyline continues, but I believe Uguti he got rather has been sent by Mama Galang because they also want to get back to Umam Rebecca, right? But now the thing is, will Umam Rebecca take the deal, considering Uguti there is no dirty laundry on the internet regarding this guy? Does Umam Rebecca have the heart to trust this guy and do business with him? Or is it a red flag through and through?